Hello, this is Prashant here. In this series of videos, we are going to learn how to read a JSON from URL logger and how do we access a specific property of this JSON object and how do we loop through it. The first thing that we will learn is how do we get the JSON from URL logger. For this, let me show you the properties of the database. This is typically what your URL logger database is going to look like. The primary key is a UDID which is generated by URL logger in the place called ID. Okay, car field 2 is where all your list of active webhooks are stored, and your actual webhook is in text field _02. So this is the webhook that we want to read. So in the first video, we are going to learn how to access the entire webhook. The second, we want to access the specific property called task name itself. And in the third one, we want to loop through fields and get all of these items one by one. I hope this is clear. I'll see you in the second video.